Somebody's nervous.
This guy.
Oh, we're all fucking nervous.
Hi. You good? Yeah. Nervous. La la tra la tra la la tra la la tra la tra la la tra la. Luke's just about to go for his first crack at this beast. Fingers crossed. In your snatch is pleasure, boom, shape pleasure. Men the queue to be the next. Fingers ring, la 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 leader. Cue jumpers, rock fish, paper scissors. La 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 linger flowers. The choir hear your hoof lies a heartland with the tempo. Our treasure, pleasure, leisure, leisure, it's all in your eyes. In your snatch with pleasure, a boom, say pleasure.
Didn't really work. Nailed it. Looks not good. Bad? Maybe ribs. Just get it with the definitely ribs, not back. Breathing.
But you need to let us know if it progressively gets worse. Poor Luke took a bit of a beating on the last waterfall. Might have broken one of his ribs.
Didn't swim though.
And we've got 20-foot falls just around the corner. You know what the doctor recommends? Chicken crimpies. Well, things have taken a turn for the worst. We just passed Double Falls. Luke's busted himself up pretty good, might have some broken ribs. So it looks like fun's over for now. And it's time to start the walk out.
Hey, where would he be?
Anyway, we're going to head up that way, somewhere. It's not split, is it? We got butterfly sutures in the first aid kit. Well, still suffering through the walkout. Can hardly spit my words out on that gas. We started down there at water level. We're humping our way up the hill. hopefully that's the top. I can stop carrying this bloody bright orange piece of plastic. Greatest sport in the world, kayaking, just in case you didn't know. It's pretty nice out here, hey?
Right, yeah. Good morning, Polly.
Good morning.
There's the car. We pretty much drove all night. We've got a broken Luke over there in a swag.
How are you doing?
Day 2 of the walkout.
Kayaking's the greatest sport in the world. 300 k's of driving, and 3 k's of paddling, and 2 days of walking out.
Hectic.